Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at BUNC Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special BUNC pack. There was only 1,952 of them made. This is a BUNC pack which is the twin 50p BUNC pack for the Platinum Jubilee. It has the two 50p styles and with the different obverses on. Now let me just bring you in a little bit. On the first of the leaves we have Changing Remarkable Rain and a celebration of the design. Then we have the Jody Clark 5th coinage portrait and the John Bergdahl Platinum Jubilee portrait. We then have Celebrating 70 Years, and it reads, in 1952, away from the United Kingdom, the tour of the Commonwealth, a young Princess Elizabeth learned that she had lost both her father, George VI, and had become Queen at just 25 years old. Now celebrating the Platinum Jubilee, Her Majesty the Queen's reign has been remarkable. The pace of change has been witnessed is unprecedented, as it would be, as the world has transformed. She has helped the nation weather the storms and has celebrated the good times as head of state and as a wife, a mother and a grandmother and a great-grandmother. Now that's a lovely portrait of Her Majesty, all in blue. On the back is the specification, and this is where you see that it is especially low mintage, especially low amount. It was only being issued as 1952, which was the year that she came to the reign. So it's 1,952 copies presented in this case, in this particular format. Now let's take a look at the coins. We have the two coins here with the two faces. We have the Jody Clark portrait, and we have the portrait that was specially which is commissioned based on the 1952 coronation, 1953 coronation crown, which was done by John Bergdahl. He shows the Queen on one of her horses. He looks like one from Trooping the Colour, and then he has about the platinum range around the top there. This centre part here is the one that's on the 1953 crown. So those were the two obverses. The same reverse is on both of them, which is the 70 with the crown with the ER and the dates 1952 to 2022. So, why is this so special? It's special because it's low minted from it's a low mintage one from the fact there was only 1,952, as I said, of them made. Now I was fairly lucky. These sold out very, very quickly on the Royal Mint website and also on the Westminster website. I wasn't able to get them in that first batch. However, they found some in a storeroom or somewhere that was forgotten about, or they were held back, I'm not sure which. And they put out, earlier on this month, they put out a draw that was free to enter. And if you were chosen, you were allowed to buy this pack. I was very fortunate. I was one of the ones chosen from the draw to receive the opportunity to buy this pack. And I'm very glad that I have been able to. I think it's only going to go up in value. I know on the secondary market on eBay they're already fetching £60–70, some of these, or they have been in the recent past. Now, I'm not going to be selling this one obviously, but because it's such a low mintage, it will go up if you were lucky enough to get hold of one. Now, I'm very glad to have this in my collection. I hope you'll agree with me that it's an unusual set and one worth having. That's the end of the review of this particular coin set, or this particular BUNC pack. If you've got anything to say about it, please use the comments below, and I look forward to corresponding with you about it. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. Now, I do 4 videos a week. Hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy and that you'll want to watch. I am trying to grow my channel this year, so I make no bones about the fact that I would very much like you to subscribe, and I'd also like you to, if you can, and you have enjoyed this video, to spend a couple of seconds and hit the like button. Well, that's it from me. Until we meet again on this channel, which I hope won't be too long into the distant future, from me at this moment in time, ta-ra, and I'll see you again shortly. Bye bye now. Bye bye.